When I was broke, I couldn't go shopping. Now I just bored, don't need a stylist. Hey, diamonds is on me, everything falling. Yeah, diamonds is on me, everything falling. Hey, when I was broke, I couldn't go shopping. Now I just bored, don't need a stylist. Yeah, diamonds is on me, everything falling. Diamonds is on me, everything falling. I'm in the cool, but diamonds is flawless. Yeah, I cannot do none of this fortune. Ay, when I was broke, I didn't have money. Ay, now that I started, nigga just flaunting. Ay, I run in the horn and you gon' finessing. I got your shit, and nigga don't test it. The money I flip, but nigga I invested. Yeah, your chick wanna chill, or holding aggression. Ay, why they mad at me? It cannot fit in my jeans. Now not tired of me. They just follow me. I got bands on me. They just follow me. I got bands on me. They won't fall with me. When I had friends, the nigga was jealous. And now that they gone, I feel all the pressure. Ay, I cannot do it, nigga, I'm blessed. Ay, I'm counting this chest, and nigga no strip.
Hey babies, what's good? It's your girl Chanel, and today I'm going to be modeling my Yolissa wig. This wig is a 24-inch deep water wave wig. It's 24 inches and 180% density, 100% human hair, and I love this wig so much. And I'm going to show you guys how I got my wig to look exactly like this. It is a 360 lace frontal, and I did this look glueless. Y'all know I do not like glue because I love my edges, and yes, I slayed this wig with literally no glue, no hassle, no process. I have 4 big braids under this wig and I'm literally slaying. I love how transparent this lace is. Even though I bleached it, it's just blending so perfect. It literally looks like it's coming out my scalp. For me to not have glued this down, I love the part. I did not pluck the part. All I did was bleach my knots, and it just looks super natural. You can put this in a ponytail. You can do so many different styles. So this is definitely beginner friendly. If you guys don't know how to do all the got to be glue and all the fancy stuff, this is for you. This wig is definitely for you. I'm going to be adding links to this direct wig down below, and right now they're having a huge spring sale, a huge Mother's Day sale, so make sure you check out my description box and shop with them. And let's get into the process of getting this wig to look like this.
Don't pick your side if you ain't gon' choose a ride or die. I'll hold you down so you know I got you studied out. Ice on wrist so you know I gotta fight it out. It's cool now so you wanna slide through. I got some jewels now so you wanna slide through. Getting money like jewels now, you know what I mean. So I ain't tryna fuck up your scene. I'm outside now. Niggas wanna rap right now. Bitches know my nickname now. And I got everything G. Pop out in that Prada and Da Vinci. So baby, gonna slide or not? I know you got some red that got riders block. I just wanna hit you on your side or not? Hit you on it. Baby, come through, won't you slide? Baby, come through, won't you slide? Baby, come through, won't you slide? I'm in a ride. Baby, come through, won't you slide? Baby, come through, won't you slide? Baby, come through, won't you slide? I'm in a ride. On the funny shit, I'm with you now. On the funny shit, you know what to do now. I said we hop in, we hop out. Chillin' in the drop now. Niggas wanna pop now. Yeah, I'm in the Bentley, put the 40 right there on the seat. Yeah, I'm getting money, get you shorty right up under me. Baby, spin it back and we gon' air it out. Cause I'm on the shit, baby, you wanna air it out. Put me down, baby, you know I'm around, baby. When I'm high, baby, you know that I'm drowning. Diamonds flacing, you know I'm a crowning. Every chasing, I don't do no rounds in. Baby, come through, won't you slide? Baby, come through, won't you slide? Baby, come through, won't you slide? I'm in a ride. Baby, come through, won't you slide? Baby, come through, won't you slide? Baby, come through, won't you slide? I'm in a ride. body bands come with the tool in it. Bitch, you won't play me, you dumb as you stupid. I hit a lick now, my brothers is tooling. Shorty a cool vibe for the summer, it's tooling. Ooh, she like my style. Yeah, yeah, she like my style. Shorty, you down, is you really cool with it? Yeah, I go dumb shit, act a fool with it. Ooh, she like my style. Yeah, yeah, she like my style. Shorty, you down, is you really cool with it? Yeah, I go dumb shit, act a fool with it. Yeah, I go dumb shit if you stupid. I get it better, bitches, I'm the cool kid. Bitch, it's a wild night when I pop out. Every time that I drop now, water stops now, drop the top now, like, ooh, she like my style. Ooh, damn, shorty, wow, another some cocky shit. I really be walking shit, damn on your body shit. Damn, shorty kinda thick. I'm on her tummy like right where her doctor is. Then baby roll a split, sip for some Henny and spin on the opera shit. You know what the fuck it is. Can't trust these niggas and can't trust these bitches in. Ooh, they wanna get down. Spin the block on the up, yeah. Niggas is a clown. Ooh, she like my style. Yeah, yeah, she like my style. Shorty, you down, is you really cool with it? Yeah, I go dumb shit, act a fool with it. Ooh, she like my style. Yeah, she like my style. Shorty, you down, is you really cool with it? Yeah, I go dumb shit, act a fool with it. Love me if you ain't gon' fuck me every night. Don't pick your side if you ain't gon' choose a ride or die. I hold you down so you know I got you studied out. Ice on wrist so you know I gotta flood it out. It's cool now so you wanna slide through. I got some jewels now so you wanna slide through. Getting money like jewels now, you know what I mean. So I ain't tryna fuck up your scene. I'm outside now, niggas wanna rap right now. Bitches know my nickname now, and I got everything G. Pop out in that Prada and Da Vinci. So baby, is you gonna slide or not? I know you got some red that got riders block. I just wanna hit you on your side or not? Hit you on it. Baby, come through, won't you slide? Baby, come through, won't you slide? Baby, come through, won't you slide? I'm in a ride. Baby, come through, won't you slide? Baby, come through, won't you slide? Baby, come through, won't you slide? I'm in a ride. On the funny shit, I'm with you now. On the funny shit, you know what to do now. I said we hop in, we hop out. Chillin' in the drop now. Niggas wanna pop now. Yeah, I'm in the Billy, put the 40 right there on the seat. Yeah, I'm getting money, get you shorty right up under me. Baby, spin the block and we gon' air it out. Cause I'm on the shit, baby, and we air it out. Put me down, baby, you know I'm around, baby. When I'm high, baby, you know that I'm drowning. Diamonds flacing, you know I'm a crowning. Every chasing, I don't do no rounds in. Yeah, yeah, baby, come through, won't you slide? Baby, come through, won't you slide? Baby, come through, won't you slide? I'm in a ride. Baby, come through, won't you slide? Baby, come through, won't you slide? Baby, come through, won't you slide? I'm in a ride.